Hi guys, it's Dr. Moran. I wanted to play a little game called What is Under Your Bathroom Sink? And this doesn't have to be anything related to the spa, but I wanted to share with you what is under mine because I am doing the Marie Kondo method and have wiped out so many things in my house already. But in my bathroom sink, so underneath, I keep my Clarisonic skin brush, pink of course. I also am a tanning, bronzing hoarder. You guys, don't laugh. I have, look at some's unopened, Saint-Tropez, which is probably one of my faves. I do a little Jergens. I have, oh my gosh, so much. French Girl, which is a nice little oil with little gold specks there for the summertime. Some more stuff. Literally, I probably have 3 or 4 more things. I have my Bioderma, which I love. I buy this when I'm in Paris, and I think you can get it on Amazon too though, but it's the best. It's micellar water. So I use this with my cotton rounds and take off my mascara every day with that. My all-time favorite lip mask that I use every nighttime is called La Neige. And so I use my Perfect Pout Polish during the day, and then this at night, and it's really great hydration. And then, look at this tan towel. Anywhere I stay, if it's good products, sometimes I'll take them with me. So I have little travel sizes that I leave in a travel kit, and then whenever I travel, I just grab the kit and I'm good to go. And then I also have, let's see, Nostra Vita. This is a little vineyard that we went to in Tuscany for my 40th birthday. And not only did they make wine, but the family believed in using everything. So they used the grape skins, and then obviously no grapes, resveratrol, right? Really good for your skin. So they made a whole skincare line out there. So they found out that I owned a medical spa, and they gave me some skincare products, and I absolutely love them. And then what else do we have? Oh my gosh. Okay. So I have about, I don't know, 10, 20 living proof. So I used to be a hair model for them way back in the day before they even were called living proof. It was called Andorra. And then I would go there as a resident or intern. I would go post call. They would do half my head in like one formulation, half in another. But I just thought, oh my gosh, I'm getting my hair blown out and I'm getting paid. This is amazing. And I got all these living proof products. So, and then, which can definitely pertain to you guys while you're on quarantine, I think, are these. I think you can order these on Amazon. These gel polish remover wraps. I don't know if you can see them, but it basically is your aluminum foil and your cotton to get your gel off. So I just use these guys, soak my nail, and then use the little wooden stick and scrape off my gel, and that's pretty amazing. So now it's your turn. I'm going to challenge Lee and Sam to do the same so we can see what's in each other's bathroom sinks.